Alright, we'll go for a little drive in the Malibu. I got done working on this probably back in August. This is the first time I've been able to go for a drive in it. It's December 29th or 30th, something like that. December 27th, excuse me, but I guess we'll go for a drive. See what it runs like. Carburetor doesn't act right, I can tell you that. Acts like loading up. Might be too rich. Too much of a power valve or something. That fifth overdrive's nice. Basically geared like an old 4-speed, we got your overdrive fifth. Very good investment, especially if you want to drive your car, but I don't get to drive much. RPM's about 70 mile an hour. My speedometer's right. Spent a lot of time before at the other motor and try to get it right, and it should be pretty close. I did change tires on it. Yeah, brakes work. A little muddy here, but about the best place to turn around. vibration in fifth, but we're going pretty fast. Or you get about 60 and it vibrate like that. That's third. Thanks, it's gonna run pretty good. I won't beat on too much. Still break-in miles. I don't baby it either. A little muddy down here. Somebody just went in this way. Well, we made it back from the drive. Anything weird's going on there? Pretty sure we stopped the leak. Unless something else tried to leak. Keeps the oil leak anyway. Carburetor definitely needs some work. I can see it looks dry. See what it sounds like from the rear. Definitely on the rich side. It'll gas you out. Anyways, shut up there where it was, and might not mess with it till it gets warm out in the summer, spring or summer. Wouldn't mind taking it to a couple of car shows. Show her off a little bit. Really needs a paint job. Gonna paint this car. That's been a long time ago. Surprised there's any paint left on it. Sat outside most of its life. It's just recently been inside, but used to have silver stripes on it, and that is not silver paint anymore. That's gray primer. You can see the silver paint wore off there. Sit out here. Vehicle sits outside on these gravel roads out here, and all that gravel dust just wafts this way, and it sits on your car, and then it rains and it washes it off, and it just sands all your paint off. Wouldn't mind taking it racing, see what it runs. I might get on for slicks with some 2610s, which I used to run on it. Had a 400 small block in it when I first got it, and that's been a long time ago. This was my first car I ever drove when I was 16. We actually had it before then, but I ended up with it when I turned 16. So, rebuilt the motor in it. Had a Muncie in it. Brother took that, put Saginaw's in it. Destroyed I don't know how many of those over the years. Finally put a Muncie in it. It lasted a little while. So I put a 454 in it and it didn't last. That was the little short video I showed. And the Muncie turned into a crunchy. I've always kept the car, had all kinds of people wanting to buy it from me, but I'm like, nope, not this one. Not that I've never sold any cars that I've owned. I've sold plenty of them, but just always wanted to keep this one. Even it's a factory 4-speed car. Somewhat rare. I don't know how many they made in 79,000 something of them. I've seen the numbers before, but I don't remember what they were. But I'm going to get this thing back in the shed up there. It's out of the weather, and some other day it needs carburetor work. It's not right. They say it's either too rich or the power valve's a little too high of a number in it. Your cruise acts rich, it might just be the power valve. I need to tinker with it more in some different weather. But that should be it for the factory 4-speed Malibu. This now has a TKO 600 in it. Because now it's a 5-speed Malibu. I wish I had that back in the day when I was younger. That'd been nice. But if you enjoyed, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share the video, you know, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one.